What is up, Earthlings? How are you doing today? Hi, everybody. I'm back for another vlog. I have some Valentine's goodies right here, and a chef's hat and an apron. Me and my friend Jada are going to create some Valentine's goodies. Here we are. We just hit the Marriott. We're doing a Valentine's vlog. We're going to create stuff. I've already introed the vlog at home, so there's no need to intro it here. Oh, thank you. I got them because I needed workout shoes, and also I don't have anything to like kind of make like a casual outfit. Like this is like like kind of fancy, casual, fancy, fancy. Yeah, it gives it like a balance. Okay, so I actually brought my own straw. Check it out. Because I'm not fucking with these biodegradable fucking melt in your mouth straws anymore. You know, save the planet, but I'm getting my own straw. Which I'm saving the planet more. Right? I'm eco-friendly. Your drink comes out ice cold. Oh, it's just, and then I'm getting a lot, so I'm like, oh. Okay, we have approached Gualemat. We're at Wally, everybody, no problem. Jada's cosplaying as the Andrews Fire Department employee. No problem, there's a pigeon. Dirty bitch. I gotta look for a red t-shirt too for work. I kind of gave up coffee for a little bit because I was going too hard with coffee. Yeah. We are on the hunt for M&Ms. M&Ms, 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 M&Ms. Peanut. Oh, only peanut. Those are regular M&Ms. I'm gonna need me a drink or something. I'll get it at the... We are ready to go. I got my apron on, I got my chef's hat. Valentine's ready. Yes! Thumbnail. Dog continuously barking. I'm gonna lock you up. I'll do it. Can I put you please? That's 24. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Could you press off on this video?
No, we are going to. You're going to be filmed. It's a form of torture.
Dunkaroos rainbow and marshmallow sugar cookie mix.
Because I know for every person I've been with or tried to be with, I have
Yeah.
a serious attachment issue. With this one, I'm like.
Well, because I think you're more of an individual. As you know, each relationship, each encounter, you become more just Jada.
Over a year ago. Oops. And it didn't really fuck with my head, but it definitely made some changes I wasn't comfortable with. So too, which is weird because she would like invite her to go out, have her spend the night.
I'm good reality TV at work. I really am. We made cookies so far. Everything's been wonderful. We've been slaving for quite some time. Look at all of these strawberries.
Strawberries.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. It's been a labor of love. Good morning, everybody. Hello, how are you doing? I am here for the second day of the vlog, and I am currently trying to figure out why the camera looks like this. I feel like I'm looking at a weird angle, maybe, but hello, good morning. I'm just getting ready for day 2 of decorating stuff with Jada. I have to go and get the Rice Krispies done today, but before that, we're going to have breakfast at this place called the Copper Kettle. To me, it sounds pretty good. I've been there before, but I cannot remember what I got last time. So this time I'm going to maybe just get like a classic breakfast. I love hash browns. I love over medium eggs and bacon and sausage. They're okay. But you know, I really love a hash brown with ketchup, you know, classic. Today on the outfit, we have a brown beanie. We're not doing as much jewels as yesterday, but we do have 2 signature jewels right here. The earrings do have little black roses on them, and then we have my other earring up here. That one is still healing because it's fairly new. We have this shirt on right here. We also have this little mesh type thing going on, which I think is very beautiful as well. And on the lip, we're doing like a brown lip liner with let me see. We have like a elf inner lip thing going on. So yeah, that's our vibe today. I slept pretty good and I feel pretty good, so ready to tackle the day. Currently at the Copper Kettle.
Copper kettle.
Copper Kettle.
It's copper in today.
We're at the Copper Kettle. I'm sure we will take it off because I'm sure the girl does not want to be on vlog when she gets back to deliver our food. But this is because I said earlier in the vlog, I was vlogging at home and I didn't know that our adventure would be until today. Here we are. I haven't had coffee in several days now. I got the brown shaken sugar espresso. It's a mouthful of cock. And Jada got a mouthful of cock.
Don't even know.
The grande hazelnut oat shaken espresso with blonde espresso. Blonde espresso is has a lighter flavor, and it's supposed to be a little sweeter, and it is I heard stronger. I remember them saying that it was stronger. So that's Citillon Blonde. What is this place over here? No, right here. This place.
What's that? John's Corner?
Have you ever bought anything from there?
Mm-hmm.
I want to plant. I'm gonna have to stop by.
Lowe's has their stuff out.
Oh, they do? We got to start getting stuff ready because I want a lot of plants. I don't care if they die. Trial and error.
For real though.
I don't care because if they die, they can come back to life.
You're right.
Frankenplants.
Frankenplants.
Rise and shine. I'm just kidding. There's no need to be doing that.
We have almonds and chocolate. Might do 2 of the big ones. Cause we like a marshmallow.
I love marshmallow.
We'll do 2 of them.
The voices in my head. Tell me about the process. Tell me about how.
I hate this part so much. Because it gets so stuck and I chose the wrong spatula.
Oh my goodness. Can I lick at a spoon?
Yeah.
Just kidding, I don't want to lick the spoon. What am I, a fucking dog? You think I'm a dog?
Yes!
Give it a mix.
Mas. Ah!
What's up, everybody? This is only a portion of my Valentine's outfit. I got the jewels on. I kind of had a mental breakdown over a friend because we're supposed to take the, what's it called, Valentine's boxes to where I work today. And, my friend canceled on me. And I really thought she was going to be reliable today because when I was explaining to her that I needed help, she said, "Oh, okay, I'll see if I can help you." And I mean, like, don't offer if you're not going to be able to help, even if there's a chance you might not be able to help. You know what I mean? Like, I when I count on someone, I count on somebody, and I like people being punctual. And when you're not punctual, I literally lose my fucking mind and act like a fucking evil demonic villain. And, I did. I told her she ruined my Valentine's Day, which is not true and which is kind of toxic. But that's how I fucking feel right now. I feel fucking angry, but I'm going to McDonald's. Good afternoon and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. So the day has come. I've got my jewels on. I've got everything going. Earlier, I was really upset at my friend for not being able to pick me up to take my Valentine's goodies. I have since then issued an apology because I am truly sorry, and sometimes I have panic attacks. Some people have panic attacks, and their panic attacks are like chill and quiet, but mine are like rageful and angry. And I want to normalize when you know that you're not a great person. And Valentine's Day is about love and showing people you appreciate them and stuff. So that friend actually did give me this Valentine's little pendant. And yeah, my biggest thing is people flaking out on me, or me perceiving that they're flaking out on me, or things like people not following through on plans or not being punctual. That drives me insane. Okay, so today, Valentine's Day, to me seems to be something that I'm not emotional about Valentine's Day. Maybe in the past I used to feel that way, but I really just kind of feel today like chill. I'm grateful to wear an outfit and to wear red and to do things like that. But to me, Valentine's Day is just, it's not that big of a deal as far as like, I love that I get to make pastries, share things with people, and, kind of spread the love. But other than that, I'm not really looking for like a partner. I don't believe in dating. I wanted to say that. I wanted to come on and say I don't believe in dating because I think that dating is like silly because you date, and then eventually you're tired of dating if you don't meet the right one. So you just settle. And I feel like most times dating leads to settling. Yeah, some people date and they find the right person, but some people date and it's just like, it's ridiculous. You settle for someone. So I think that if I end up with someone, I'm going to meet them, they're going to want to be with me for an extended period of time. That's that end of story. Dating is it just seems silly to me. Valentine's Day shouldn't get you down. Valentine's Day shouldn't make you feel less than because you don't get gifts or this or that. You should feel complete in yourself, and remember to celebrate the love of yourself, the love of God, and the love of gratitude and blessings. I hope everyone has a wonderful Valentine's Day, and yeah, have a great day, and thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope everything goes splendid and wonderful for you.